So today I'm going to be presenting you the 1993 8mm camcorder. So here it is. And I'm going to start it on camera. Record a video. So I'm going to be recording. And it works really well. The only thing is it can't be off the charger. So right now when that little arrow, it means it's recording right now. So I'm going to stop it. It stops on a dime. And the tape goes right inside here. And here's has the flip. This was the best camcorder from the 90s. 16 times zoom. And yep, so I'll shut it off here. Okay. So this is the adapter in here. Okay, and it has a little, so this is how you would hold it, like this. Okay, so it's my 1993 Sharp viewcam 8mm camcorder. Hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye.